What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you guys are having a fabulous day or evening or afternoon or whatever, but I'm sure you can only be so excited to see us in the golf cart shop again, because we make golf cart videos too, which are pretty awesome. But anyways, let's get down to the point, nitty gritty here. Sorry it's been a little bit. I had to buy another laptop. My laptop broke at work, so I bought a nice Dell now. So I'm using that to edit, and I'm gonna fix my Asus. I love my Asus ZenBook 15. I love that thing. It's a little bit older of a model. It's like 4 or 5 years old, but I love that thing. But I ended up getting a Dell, a real nice Dell actually. So I'm gonna be using that. That's why I haven't really made a video. My computer's been kind of wonky and stuff. And I also use my Asus to tune at the shop at Gentek. So I had to get a new laptop to be able to tune at Gentek as well. So regardless, we have the beautiful EasyGo RXV here, which has been a real pain in my ass. Quick little shout out to Nokins. These guys set me up with these beautiful contoured seats. Oh my God. This cart, guys, you have no idea how badass this cart's gonna become. You're gonna see this thing transform into the coolest cart ever. Kind of like the club car, but better. So this is a 2010, and it has this stupid Danaher computer in there, speed controller. Yeah, there's a lot of junk going on in here. So for the past month, I've been diagnosing this Danaher. I bought another Danaher for $100. That failed. I had a lithium battery in it to test everything out, and I got a new lithium battery for this golf cart, but I ended up doing a new speed sensor, a new brake. These are kind of weird. They have like freaking electronic brakes on them. Stupid, goofy shit. But I got sick of having to deal with this Danaher and hearing all the bad reviews on the Danaher carts, the 08 to 11s. So I said, fuck it, I'm done. I'm contacting my good old buddies Navitas. So they came through for me. Look at this, on the fly controller for speed regen and SL or whatever. The whole controller setup, which is by far 10 million times better than that stupid Danaher controller. So we're gonna put that in here today. This video, unfortunately, we're not gonna see it run because we have something in this box as well on a skid from another good buddies of ours that we're gonna be installing into the RXV2 on a later video, and then we'll see the thing run and all that fun stuff. But yeah, we're gonna do a nice little install video for Navitas here. These guys are amazing. Obviously, you guys remember my wheeling EasyGo TXT that did literal wheelies. This Navitas is not going to do that, by the way, because it doesn't have, the RXVs are an AC motor, but they're not an AC motor like the Navitas AC motors. They're different. So this will not do wheelies, but it will go pretty fast. Probably go like maybe 20, 25 miles an hour, something like that. The club car goes 40. We're not going to be going 40 in this. It's a different type of setup. That has a different setup than what the Navitas is, basically. So the Navitas is going to be torquier and faster, off the line kind of deal. So, hey, look, there's Dick Bag. I'll kill you. I'll so kill you. He's waiting for his girlfriend to come pick him up. So, yeah, so the first thing we got to do is get this seat off here, basically, and rip out this Danaher setup. Right there. But yeah, this cart, full transformation. I'm going to paint the roof, paint the body. Well, I'm actually going to get another body, paint the body, headlight system, obviously. Back seats already here. Beautiful light tan covers that will go on these seats, and it's going to be amazing. Brand new windshield, all this fun stuff. It's going to be a badass cart. So let's get this Danaher out, and I'll show you what that looks like next to the Navitas, guys. All right, guys. So we have the stupid piece of junk Danaher controller out of here. As you can see, it's trash, but that is what a Danaher computer looks like. Speed controller, I guess you would call it. And then we have the beautiful new Navitas setup with Bluetooth operation and fly-by-wire, which is freaking amazing. And they actually give you a very nice new bracket to mount everything to as well. So we're gonna get the bracket in, we're gonna mount this guy up, we're gonna make it look nice and pretty, and then also I think by what the instructions look like, we do have to use this resistor over again. I don't know what this is for, to be honest. I've never dealt with one of these RXVs before. But yeah, this gets hooked in somehow, some way. We got to figure that out. So shouldn't be too difficult. But we're going to get this all mounted and basically show you what it looks like in the cart when it's all done. So to install this in this golf cart, we'll be watching a YouTube video from Navitas on how to remove, install, and wire up all of our stuff. I don't know who this guy is. He's pretty hot though.
Then we're going to remove the run tow switch
make a video
from the vehicle.
Okay.
And we'll be reusing the mounting bolts from the original controller.
Link in the description, by the way, if you want this video. Okay. Install mounting plate. Okay, got it. Use original hardware. Got it.
And we'll tighten them up.
Okay. Let's do that. Oh, never mind. It's already done.
Using the supplied hardware, install the controller onto the mounting plate from the back.
Okay. Alright. Okay. That doesn't look that difficult. Looks pretty easy. Oh, he's going fast now. He's going fast. Okay. That doesn't look that bad. Let's go get that done, guys. Oh my God, this cart's all kinds of full of surprises. It already got it on there, look. Unbelievable. Good for you, buddy. Good for you, little buddy. Got the bolts in the back and everything. Pretty easy to get to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. There's the first setup. Let's keep going, guys. Alright. What's next, dude?
And then we'll hook up the cables, U to U, V to V, and W to W.
Alright, cool. Okay, so we're going to be looking at green on yellow. I'm sorry, green on U, yellow on V, and blue on W. Let's go see if we did that. Oh, yes, it's already done. We're so good at this. Oh my God. Alrighty.
And finally, we're going to add our battery positive cable.
Alrighty, cool. Resistor wire is on R. We already got that. So I guess this goes to P positive. I guess this goes to B positive. Okay. I love the music, guys. You guys did amazing on the music. Let's go make sure that's done. Oh, we better pause the video. We don't pause the video. Oh my God, we won't know where to go from here. All right, let's just double. Oh, look at that. The resistor's on. The solenoid's on. We got our power going from our solenoid down to B+. We have our white wire, which goes on the other side of here. So you have a wire on here, basically going to the solenoid, and then on the other side of this resistor, I'll see if I can get down here, maybe I can, I don't know, that comes up and that goes to R on the controller here. So now I guess we're going to be plugging in this big feller here in the next part of the video. So let's make sure that's what he's doing. Okay, battery plus is on. We verified that's good to go. Tighten her up really fast in speed motion.
And finally, we'll plug in
there we go. Our controller.
The controller harness.
Ah, it goes all the way to the bottom. Look at that. I was right, guys. That controller gets plugged in. Whew. Let's do it. All right, guys, we got the entire Navitas setup in the golf cart right now. The good old 2010 EasyGo RXV. She's almost ready to go, but we do need one other thing. Now, technically speaking, this guy here should sit right above this, kind of like this. I'll show you. I'll give you a little intro here. That's supposed to sit on here like that and look all professional, but we can't hook this up right now because we are obviously missing a very big and important part to this RXV. Other than the brake system that's not on the motor right now, that way I can move this golf cart back and forth in the golf cart shop here. We only got to put a battery in it, and like I stated before, we have a very big surprise from a previous battery that we've worked with, and I tell you what, this company is amazing. This battery is amazing. I've already opened up everything. They give you a lot of stuff. It came on a freaking crate, for Christ's sake. Like, come on, guys. If it comes on a crate, you know it's legit. So basically what we got to do is we're going to make another video after this one. Maybe we'll make some car videos at the shop. I don't know. We got a lot of videos I got to edit. Got a lot of shit I got to do. But anyways, we'll make a secondary video of the battery in the cart, and we'll show the operation of the Navitas the app and everything. And then we'll probably end up making a full video, like a full compilation video of just this E-Z-GO RXV running, driving, going down the road. Maybe we'll get the GPS out, see how fast it goes, all that fun stuff. We also have to do a backup video on the good old club car precedent and get a speed limit on that as well. So that'll be pretty cool. We'll do that at a later date. But other than that, guys, video is done. I'm gonna enjoy a beer with my good old buddy that's walking up the trail right now. And we're gonna end this video. But huge thanks to Navitas. I've worked with them guys before through other vendors, and now I'm actually working with them directly, which is freaking amazing. They make a great product, they really do. All these companies that I work with make amazing products. If they didn't, I would not be sharing them with you guys right now. But if you're interested in a Navitas setup for your club car, Yamaha, E-Z-GO, whatever, go check them out. Link in the description below, guys. Other than that, don't forget to give this video a follow, a like, thumbs up, all that fun stuff. Diablo Formula Racing Instagram, and deuces, guys.